Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic. Umami, the fifth taste that not many people know about. The basics of taste. Let's start with a quick look at the four basic tastes we're familiar with. Sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. While we know these tastes well, there's another hidden dimension deep within our food. The discovery of umami. To understand why umami is so captivating, we need to go back to its origins. In 1908, Japanese chemist Kikunae Ikeda discovered umami during his quest to uncover the source of the rich flavor in dashi, a traditional broth. Ikeda's breakthroughs revealed that the amino acid glutamate held the key to the umami flavor. He realized this was a fifth basic taste, distinct and separate from the others. The science behind umami. Glutamate isn't just a flavor enhancer, it also has profound effects on our taste buds. Let's delve into the science behind umami and understand how it shapes our eating experience. Umami in nature. Glutamate isn't confined to our food. It's found everywhere in nature. From ripe tomatoes to mushrooms and even breast milk, umami is a taste that's woven into the wonders of the natural world. The umami experience. Now, let's take a deep dive into the world of the umami experience. We'll be sampling different umami-rich foods and observing how our taste buds react to these explosions of flavor. Umami in the kitchen. The culinary world has embraced umami as a valuable tool. We'll discover how chefs use umami to amplify flavors, balance dishes, and create unforgettable meals. Umami and health. Beyond taste, umami also has an impact on our health. We'll discuss how umami can help reduce salt intake, promote a balanced diet, and even aid digestion. Umami in popular cuisines. Diverse cuisines around the world incorporate umami-rich ingredients. We'll journey through various culinary traditions and uncover how umami has become an integral part of dishes worldwide. Umami in the future. How will umami shape our future food experiences? We'll take a glimpse into food technology and preparation innovations that will further amplify umami's role. Umami in cultural traditions. Umami doesn't just impact the culinary world, it also shapes cultural traditions. Let's explore how different societies around the world have developed their own unique umami-rich dishes and preparation methods. Umami and nutritional science. Let's take a deeper dive into the nutritional science behind umami. We'll discuss how glutamate and umami receptors function in our bodies, and how this understanding can lead to new approaches in nutrition and flavor. Umami and art. Did you know that umami doesn't only stimulate our taste buds, but has also inspired artists? We'll delve into how umami has become a source of inspiration in the art world, from culinary art to literature and visual arts. Umami and food pairings. One of the exciting aspects of umami is how it can be combined with other flavors for spectacular results. We'll delve deeper into the art of food pairings and reveal some of the most unexpected yet delightful umami pairings. Umami in the media. Umami has also made its way into popular media and entertainment. We'll discuss how umami is presented in movies, TV shows, and culinary documentaries, and how it influences the way we perceive food. Umami experiment and viewer challenge. Before we conclude, let's conduct one more thrilling umami experiment and invite our viewers to join in at home. We challenge you to prepare your own umami-rich meals and share your experiences with us. And there you have it, our in-depth journey through the intriguing world of umami. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon on our YouTube channel.